open to the kitchen, we have this fabulous great room where we have 15-foot ceiling heights, vaulted with beams. We made some custom beams out of oak, and then we did shiplap on all the ceilings. And we have this beautiful feature windows, a wall of glass out the rear of the home. So this home is a great fit for anybody that has a picturesque site.
You said you put some blinds in here?
Yes, we did some Hunter Douglas electric blinds, and they're on every window, so if you get some sun or that is in your way, you can just push one button and it'll automatically close all these blinds.
I love the built-in here. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, here we made a custom cabinet. It's all out of maple wood, and it was built in a cabinet shop, and it was custom for this opening. So we mounted a 77-inch flat screen TV in there with a stereo sound bar. And then we have individual shelves and individual LED light pucks in every opening. So it's a great place to feature some of your finer pieces. And next to the custom cabinetry, we did a built-in fireplace. We have a split-faced marble face that we did on that. It's a 42-inch firebox. It's a direct vent, so it puts all the heat into the room. It's got a beautiful flame pattern. There's 5 different flame heights, 5 different fan speeds, and it really is an efficient heater as well as a good visual.